The wind's howling through the harbor tonight. Rain cuts hard in the pale blue light. Families sleeping while the breakers roll, but the pager screams from the kitchen drawer. Boots hit the floor, no time to spare. A quick goodbye and a whispered prayer. The sea don't care who you are or where you've been, but courage climbs aboard when the pager sings. Every heartbeat echoes through the storm. Every soul aboard a swan. When the pager calls, they answer the cry. Into raging seas, beneath the blackened sky. They're the light in the darkness, hope on the tide, standing where the brave and the fearless collide. No medals on their minds, no glory to claim, just ordinary people answering a call. When the pager sings, they're already gone, holding back the ocean till the lost come home. The waves rise high like mountains of steel. The deck keeps moving beneath the wheel. Searching horizons through the driving rain, following distress through the hurricane. A flare burns red in the distant night, a lonely spark in the endless white. Every minute matters, every second counts, when a life hangs balanced where the wild sea mounts. And the radio crackles through the gale, keep searching on, we cannot fail. When the pager calls, they answer the cry. Into raging seas, beneath the blackened sky. They're the light in the darkness, hope on the tide, standing where the brave and the fearless collide. No medals on their minds, no glory to claim, just ordinary people answering a call. When the pager rings, they're already gone, holding back the ocean till the lost come home. They leave warm fires and families behind, trade comfort for the salt-filled air. Not because they have to, not because they're told, not because they're told, but because some hearts are forged from gold. Through winter squalls and summer seas, they carry faith upon the breeze. And somewhere in the darkness a stranger learns, the brightest beacon is a crew that turns. When the pager calls, they answer once more, charging through the thunder to a distant shore. They're the hands reaching out when all hope has gone, until the rescue's done. So here's to the crews and the vows they keep, guardians watching over restless seas. And when the storm rolls in and the heavens fall, you can bet they'll be coming. When the pager calls